The first thing I'm going to do is create a class. Then I'm going to pass it a function. And then I'm going to run that function. So I'm going to make a class called DM, and I hit enter. Next thing I'll do is I'll define another class we're already familiar with under init, under, and it's going to get two guys passed to it, self and name, and a colon. What's going to happen here? Self.name, which is the local variable, will be assigned. It's the persistent local variable, and it will be assigned whatever we pass to it, which will be name. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define another function, and that's going to be called mfunc, my function. Of course, it'll get self, and what will I pass to it? The name of the function that has to be executed, and the arguments that that function is going to need in order to perform the mathematical operation. Okay, that sounds good. I put in a colon, and I'm going to print out the following. Quotes, %s, it's going to say George says the answer, which is %f. Now, those are placeholders. What am I going to put into those placeholders? So here comes the list of values that will substitute into those placeholders. %, here they come. Self.name. That'll go into the %s. So George will go there. Says, and then the answer will go there. Well, who's going to put that answer in there? Where's it going to get the answer from? It's going to get it from this guy, the function name and the function arguments. So let me put that in there. mf, my function that I hand over to this guy, and all the arguments it needs. All right, that's it for our class. Enter, enter. Now let me define the function that's going to do the math for us. I'm going to define AIU. Add it up. AIU. X and Y. I'm going to pass it two values. All I'm going to do is return X plus Y. That's easy enough. I got to put X times Y, or X divided by Y, or X minus Y. That's okay. And I'm done. Okie dokie. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to instantiate this class. Well, what does that mean? I'm going to take a variable, the person, I'll call it first person A, and I'm going to say, call the DM function, and hand it DM. Oh, you can see what I got to hand it. The name of the mathematician, George. That's me. And I hit enter. Let's see if I get any errors. No errors. Okay, I got PA and it's set. This PA is the instantiated variable. And up here we refer to PA as self. Self refers to PA all the time. Now, I want to utilize this method now. How am I going to do that? Well, first thing I'm going to do is say, Mr. PA, yes, dot. I want you to, oh, up comes myfunc. I want you to run the myfunc method. He says, sure, I can do that. Now notice what it doesn't say. Its first argument is self here, but I don't have to put that in. The system knows PA is self. So I don't have to start there. I have to start at the next one. MF, that's going to be the name of this function over here, MF. So the name of this guy is AIU. Come. Now, what's the next thing I have to do? I have to give him the list of arguments that AIU is going to need, X and Y. Well, I'm going to add up a 5, comma, and 5. Well, let's do 6. Let's be daring. When I hit enter, it should say George says 11. That's a float, so there's got 11.000. Okay, let's make this 5.3. Let's make this 6.2. And so it should say George says 11.500, like that. Whoa, what was that? Here we go. Oh, George says 11.5. Oh, this worked. All right, let's be super daring now. Let's say, run it one more time. PA, yes. Remember mfunc, just put in the period and give it a weight. And there it comes right there, mfunc. And Mr. mfunc, I'm going to pass you AIU. And what else am I going to pass it? The two values I want to add up, which will be 500.2 and 300.3. We are daring. I should get it. 800.5. Oh, George says 800.5. Like that. Oh, and it worked. George says 800.5. So we created a class, passed it a name, George, and passed it a function name, AIU, and then we ran the function.